Cree. On today's video, we're going to be making banana bread. Are you all excited to bake with me? Because I am. I'm also going to be showing some tips and tricks, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I do like the comments. And I appreciate the feedback. So don't forget to do that. Now let's grab our baking bowls, wash those hands, and let's get right into baking. Hey guys, if you'd love to achieve this dense, fluffy, moist banana bread right at home, keep watching and subscribe. So before we start baking, I'm gonna teach you the first trick. To make a moist banana bread, you obviously need your banana ripe, not just a plain banana like this. So what I do is I'm gonna pop this into the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes, and you're gonna see the results. All right, the banana is out of the oven, and take a look at how dark and ripened it looks. Just take a look at that. So the trick here is to put this in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes or until dark like this. So we're gonna open this up. It's kind of hot, so you gotta be careful. Just take a look at the banana, guys. It's very ripe now. It's very ripe. So we're gonna pop this in with the rest of the bananas. Banana bread is one of those desserts you make when you have really ripe bananas and you don't want to toss them out. You just make banana bread. So time to bake. So before I start baking, I normally like to start with my dry ingredients. So here I have 1 cup and 1/3 of flour. I have nutmeg here to add flavor. Cinnamon, of course, you need cinnamon for your banana bread. I have baking soda, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt because you need the salt to balance your flavors, and baking powder, and that is 1 teaspoon. And you're gonna put this just like that, and I'm gonna mix them all in. We're gonna work with the wet ingredients. So I have butter here. I'm gonna add sugar. Seems like a lot of sugar, but not really. And I'm gonna get brown sugar. I mix dark brown with light brown. We're gonna cream this butter and sugar all together. We're gonna cream this properly. We're done creaming this. We're gonna grab our bananas and we're gonna mash them, okay? I don't have the actual equipment to mash the banana, so I'm using a fork, just like this. And we're gonna mash that. Now a banana is mashed up, we're gonna come back here to the butter and sugar. So we're gonna break 2 eggs. All right, and we're gonna mix this in. Now we're just gonna squeeze a tad bit of lemon in there. Just add lemon flavor there. Mix this in. So we're gonna add our banana. I don't like chunks in my banana, so I make sure everything is all chopped in, okay? And we're gonna mix now, okay? Make sure to scrape the bottom of your bowl while you're mixing, just to make sure everything is all, the butter and sugar are all mixed in. That is very important. Scrape the bottom of your bowl, guys. Scrape them bowls, all right? Let's get it. So we're gonna mix this in, just like this. And the next part, I'm gonna add yogurt. This is Greek yogurt. I'm just gonna add like 2 tablespoons. The Greek yogurt here adds moist flavor and richness to a banana bread. This is optional, so you can use plain yogurt, buttermilk, or sour cream. It's optional. So pour it in and mix it in. So now that we've mixed in our mashed bananas, we're gonna add our dry ingredients. When it comes to the dry ingredients, you don't want to overmix with the flour because you're gonna produce too much gluten, and that can make your banana bread really dry. You want a moist banana bread, not a dry one. So make sure not to overmix at this point. When you see that your flour is all mixed in, don't stop mixing. So I'm gonna oil the bottom of my pan so that our bread doesn't stick. And I'm gonna line this parchment paper So it would be easy for us to just grab this and put it on our cooling rack. So just like this. And we're just gonna quickly, you know, extra safety. All right, do that. Now it's time to pop this. At this point, my oven is preheating to 350 degrees. So preheat your oven to 350 degrees, and we're gonna bake this for 60 minutes. Now we've put it into a pan. We're gonna bake this for 60 minutes. I'm just gonna like do this, just make sure everything is leveled. We're gonna bake this for 60 minutes, which for you guys is like 2 seconds. So stay tuned. Our bread is finally out of the oven after 60 minutes. We're gonna let it rest now in the pan for 20 minutes so it doesn't break when we take it out. So we'll let it rest for 20 minutes and come back. Look at the cool benefit for that parchment paper over there. We're just gonna put this in a cooling rack and let it cool for a few minutes. Just take a look. It smells so good in the kitchen, guys. You need to try this at home, and I hope you do. I'm gonna break into our banana bread. Just take a look at this, guys. Looks so good. That steam, that smell, it smells really good. This bread came out really crunchy, moist. Look at the banana right there. I hope you guys enjoyed baking with me today, and I really hope you try this at home because it was worth it. It was easy. It was worth the 60 minutes of wait. I mean, it's an easy recipe you could try at home anytime. Just get those ripe bananas, and if you don't have ripe bananas, just pop it into the oven for 10 minutes and it'll be ripe. And just let it cool for an additional 5 minutes. I want to use this opportunity to give a big shout out to Lisa. Happy birthday, Lisa. I'm wishing you a happy birthday over here. This banana bread is dedicated to you. I cut it in for you, and I'm gonna eat it for you too. I'm celebrating your birthday today, girl. Happy birthday. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you guys subscribe, like, and comment. Hope you try this at home and enjoy. Stars shining bright.